A product of the Golden Rule. The 550 horsepower supercharged Vantage of the late 1990s was never going to be produced in a convertible form, so said Aston Martin's senior management in period. Nevertheless, after 6 years of Vantage coupe-only production, with the application of the Golden Rule from a small number of Aston Martin VIP clients, 8 convertible Vantages were manufactured and left the factory at Newport Pagnell before the shutters came down for the last time on the traditional hand-built production facilities. This rare left-hand drive example of the Vantage Volante is finished in its original colours of Cumberland Grey with Connolly smoked green hides, charcoal Wilton carpeting bound in green, and fitted with a matching hood. All 8 cars were individually specified by the persuasive 8 VIP clients and were built to European type-approved and certified standards in the year 2000. Equipped with the 550 or optional 600 horsepower twin supercharged V8 engine, mated to manual transmissions. This particular left-hand drive and 550 horsepower example was optionally fitted with the Vantage Le Mans edition instrumentation, smoked walnut veneer interior finishes, and a Becker Hi-Fi unit when built. Of the 8 special edition Vantage Volantes constructed, only 3 left the factory in left-hand drive configuration, the remaining 5 being completed in right-hand drive for UK-based clients. Vaguely similar in appearance to the 1997-99 model V8 Volante, the special edition supercharged Vantage Volantes were constructed on the shorter wheelbase chassis architecture and mechanical specifications of the Vantage Coupe. The model became known internally within Aston Martin as the short chassis Vantage Volante, due to the chassis having 200mm or 7.8 inches shorter wheelbase and overall length than the standard production V8 Volante of the day. Known to ourselves from new, this extremely rare and exciting special edition Vantage Volante short chassis has covered just 9,400 miles or 15,250 kilometers from new, in the hands of its 2 previous owners. Maintained by the Aston Martin Works and highly respected specialists, this outstanding expression of the automotive craftsman's art, an important and rare historic model, now 25 years old, is eligible for importation and use in the United States of America and can be enjoyed in almost all territories worldwide. Complete with all equipment as supplied when new, including the comprehensive toolkit, warning triangle and spare keys, leather-bound history file, owner's handbook, and manufacturer documented certification. Available for viewing now at our Hertfordshire showrooms. Oh, and the Golden Rule? Well, he who has the most gold rules.